bulk writer. And now let's pull this over so you can see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to paste. I just hit Control V. It's Command V on the Mac. So I just pasted everything all in there. Okay, so we are ready to do our selections. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do automatic. And what I'm doing this because I know I've done enough of these that this is the format that I like. I'm going to do medium, professional. I'm going to enable literary device, check that. Enable this, check that. Be sure to always check this one, bold to help readability, and enable H3s, okay? This is the most important part right here. You have standard intro, change it over to search intent intro. This gives you a better paragraph and it answers the question right up front. I like to do fact short answers, and because people are asking questions, this is the audience personality I like for this type of. You could do caregiver. The other one would maybe be explorer. In fact, on this one, I'll just do explorer. And here's the writing model. I want really good content, so I'm going to use this model, which is going to run me anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents an article. Sometimes it's cheaper if you don't do any images. So I'm not going to do any images. I'm not going to make Midjourney prompts. I don't need automatic keywords, so I'm not going to do any of that. And we're going to pick up a style mimic. I'll get to this in a second. I'm going to skip featured image, subheading images, and the model. The reason is I'm going to build my images inside of AI Masher. In AI Masher, we have media packs and we have an AI image generator, which is the exact same image generator that you see here, but you don't have to pay for it. We have an image model that you can use that does really good images. We also have integrations with your Stability API, and you can use DALL-E through your OpenAI API. But if you don't want to pay for any of it, you get free images with each package that we have. Okay, so I'm not going to generate any images here. If you do, there's just a different import upload model. Now, the only thing I'm going to use on this, because I'm answering a question, this intro paragraph helps. I've given it some very detailed. In fact, let's look at one of them here. The context is numeric list, choosing the right yeast for sour beers, the topic. And we have keywords in here that we suggest, and subheadings, understanding sour beer, the role of yeast. So we give it really good suggestions on headings, on subheadings, and on keywords to use inside of it. So that's why we don't need automatic keywords and why we're going to do automatic on up here. Okay. So the only other thing I'm doing in here is I'm going to do a style mimic. And just so you see, I've got several styles in here. I have gone through looking for different writing styles based on what we're doing. So I'm going to use one called, this is the Rusty the Honeybee Suite.com. And I put in the article, I did a blog post, and then it mimicked the style. Writing a style that is informative, conversational, engaging. That's a good one to use. The other one that I like is I have in here The Art of Explanation. This is Lee LaFleur. I also have in here Neil Patel, and I have Mike Rowe. Mike Rowe is a great blog to copy. So I copied his entire article and then I put it in here, and this was just a sample of it. The writing style is conversational, personal, creating a warm and intimate connection with the reader. Vocabulary is accessible to middle schoolers. So this is a very good mimic style to use. This is the AI writing model. I close that. Now I'm ready to go. So I'm going to hit the Start Bulk Writer. It is going to confirm I want to proceed. Yes. It's going to ask me another question. Fasten your seatbelts. Writing one article could take between 3 minutes and 30 minutes. I've noticed that it's not that long. It's usually closer on the 3-minute side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to come back when we make the first 5 articles are done. Okay.